Imagine this. You're part of a dedicated team, tirelessly digging in a remote, sun-baked desert. The air is thick with anticipation, each shovelful of earth potentially holding a secret millions of years old. You're expecting the usual dinosaur bones, the kind that fill textbooks and museums. You've spent years studying these magnificent creatures, their massive skeletons a testament to a bygone era. But then, something catches your eye. You spot something strange, something that doesn't quite fit the familiar pattern. An anomaly in the ancient Earth. It's definitely not a T-Rex tooth, those iconic serrated daggers of the Cretaceous period. And it's certainly not a Triceratops horn, those massive, shield-like structures used for defense and display. Instead, it's a fossil with a jaw and teeth that look oddly familiar, a structure that sparks a distant, almost subconscious recognition. Could it be a dog? A relic from a time long before dogs as we know them existed? The thought sends a shiver of excitement down your spine. What if I told you that archaeologists just uncovered a fossil, a discovery that's rewriting our understanding of mammalian evolution? A fossil older than the dinosaurs? A creature that roamed the earth before the rise of the reptiles? One that may be the ancestor of today's dogs? A distant relative whose legacy echoes in every bark and wagging tail? Yeah, I know, mind blown. It's a lot to take in, so let's break it down and explore the fascinating details of this incredible find. So here's what happened. The story begins in a land far, far away, and a time almost incomprehensible in its distance. Deep in the ancient rocks of what's now South America, a region rich in geological history and untold secrets, a team of dedicated researchers, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, stumbled upon a jawbone. A jawbone that's over 250 million years old, a relic from a period known as the Permian. That's right. This thing was walking around, hunting and surviving before the first dinosaurs ever showed up, before the age of the giants even began. The fossil had sharp teeth, clearly indicating a carnivorous diet, a predator adapted for hunting and consuming meat. It also possessed a long snout, a feature that suggests a keen sense of smell, crucial for tracking prey in a prehistoric world. And a skull shape that's, honestly, a little bit canine, hinting at a possible connection to the evolutionary lineage of modern dogs. But hold up, let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Before you picture a golden retriever bounding through a prehistoric landscape, chasing a stick in the Triassic, let's get a few things straight. Let me clear things up and provide some context to this amazing discovery. This wasn't technically a dog as we know them today. Not a member of the Canidae family that includes wolves, foxes, and domestic dogs. It belonged to a group called cynodonts, an extinct group of therapsids. These were ancient creatures that are kind of like, well, the great-great-great-grandparents of mammals, a crucial link in the evolutionary chain. And yes, that includes dogs, making this fossil a distant ancestor of our furry friends. Cats, those perfect predators that share our homes. And even humans, placing us all within the same sprawling family tree. What's wild about this discovery isn't just how old it is, although 250 million years is certainly a staggering number. It's what it tells us about evolution, about the slow, incremental changes that have shaped life on Earth over unimaginable timescales. This ancient dog had features, anatomical characteristics that provide valuable insights into the development of mammals. That would eventually evolve into the traits we see in mammals now, adaptations that allowed them to thrive in a changing world. Like sharper teeth for eating meat, a crucial adaptation for a carnivorous lifestyle, and a jaw that could move side to side, allowing for more efficient chewing and processing of food. Basically, it's a missing puzzle piece, a crucial piece of evidence that helps us understand the bigger picture of life's history, that links reptiles to mammals, bridging the gap between two major groups of animals. Now, scientists are buzzing with questions, eager to unravel the mysteries surrounding this ancient creature. How did early cynodonts survive? What strategies did they employ to endure in a harsh and unforgiving world? The mass extinction that wiped out almost everything else? How did they manage to escape the fate that befell so many other species? What did they eat? What were their hunting habits? And what role did they play in the ancient food web? Did they live in packs like wolves do today? Did they cooperate in hunts, or were they solitary predators? Every new bone, every tiny clue, every fragment of fossilized evidence helps us rewrite the story of life on Earth, adding new chapters to the epic saga of evolution. So next time you're hanging out with your dog, enjoying their playful antics and unwavering loyalty, give them an extra treat, a reward for being such a wonderful companion. And remember, Their ancestors were some of the OG survivors, resilient creatures that weathered unimaginable challenges. From ancient deserts to your living room, from prehistoric landscapes to modern homes, the story of dogs is way older and way wilder than we ever imagined, a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. If you enjoyed this fossil-fueled mystery, this journey into the deep past, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries, and join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, and drop a comment. What's your favorite prehistoric creature? Let us know what ancient beasts capture your imagination. Thanks for watching and keep digging for answers. The Earth holds countless secrets waiting to be unearthed.